we gotta go to your room though.
No, you can't come to my room.
Why not?
My room is a mess. So first things first, I'm trained in Taekwondo. Middle of my move, I got my feet out.
Don't even worry about that. I got you.
Oh.
For all that work.
Okay, you guys are in bed.
You deserve it.
Make sure you keep your face covered.
Okay.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
Let me see a hook. Oh, they're whooping your ass.
They whooping my ass?
They're whooping your ass. I said hook, babe.
Excuse me.
So good.
Listen, I was just about to say that. I like your style.
Thank you.
Would you take me to your house and show me your favorite 5 fashion pieces?
Oh my God,
Nah?
not right now.
Not right now? Why not? You live far from here?
I live in Bushwick.
We could go to Bushwick. Have you ever seen my content?
No, what is
Check it out. It's called Mystery Fashionist.
Wait, I heard about you. You went to that guy's house in Brooklyn who lives with his family.
Which one?
He's
Which
like
one?
Jamaican or something.
Oh, we see you across the street.
We thought you was gonna go this way. We was like, yo, we gotta get her. And then you just hopped into the car.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Yeah, hell yeah. We out?
We're out. It's like a 35-minute drive.
All right. All right. You live with your mom?
No.
Oh,
I live with my
okay.
roommates and they actually
She's-
suck.
What's your name?
Taylor,
Taylor, AJ.
nice to meet you.
We about to have a good vibe.
Oh my gosh. What's your name?
Hussein.
Hussein.
Hussein, yep.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, it's actually 5 minutes. Just follow it, because I got a regular. You could just put it right there, AJ, help her.
Okay, cool. Oh my gosh. Wait, what the fuck?
Yeah, it's about to be a vibe, you know?
What? So how
You
are
got some
guys
pieces
today?
to show us?
I do. I actually
Okay.
just bought a bunch of stuff.
Welcome to my place.
Okay.
My little
Oh, so
vibe.
you keep here clean.
Yeah, well, the roomies keep it clean. I just got back from like 3 weeks of vacation, so I'm glad to be home.
We're here.
We're here.
Listen,
So if you guys want to have a seat?
Guys, this is the first time someone's ever made me look short, all right?
Oh my god.
I'm sad right now. Shit is crazy. But we're here, though.
We're here though, so make
You know.
yourself at home.
Okay.
You don't have to take your shoes off.
Okay, so what do I gotta do?
You
Tell
gotta
me.
sit down. Sit down on the couch, make yourself comfortable. You
Alright.
want anything to drink?
But we gotta go to your room, though.
No, you can't come to my room.
Why not?
My room is a mess. I just got back from Greece and Portugal.
Listen, you just got back. You just came from traveling. That's the best part of it, right?
My room is insane.
Let's get the natural vibes. Come on. This is like a regular thing. Once you come back from traveling, listen, it takes 10 days for me before I start like actually packing my clothes or even like unpacking my suitcase, honestly. I still got my suitcase from like Paris.
You were in Paris
Yeah.
for Fashion Week?
Yep.
Dope.
And that was like 3 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago.
He still got his.
And I still got my clothes in my suitcase. Like,
I ripped through my shit
He's
today.
living off his suitcase, right?
I ripped through my shit today. I had to put a fit together to go to the sauna.
okay.
So have a seat.
So
I'll show you my
so
pieces.
you're gonna bring the pieces over here?
I'm gonna bring my pieces.
I'm gonna give you a pass. Should we give her a pass?
Give me a pass. W chat. Give me a pass.
Alright, bring it over. Bring it
Alright,
over.
bet. Have a seat.
We gonna vibe.
Alright, dope.
You got something to eat for us? Like, can we have some lunch
You want lunch?
or
You want
some snacks?
Sorbet? You want a little?
You got some snacks?
sorbet?
I mean, if you're gonna let me, if I have to sit over here, I mean, like, you gotta compensate me for sitting over here, cause I'm supposed to be in your closet right now.
Alright, bet.
What you got? A little snack?
A little snack. You can
Nah, I'm
have
playing
ice.
with you. I'm playing with you.
You don't want ice
I'm
cream?
playing with you. I'm
It's
playing
90
with you.
degrees.
I'm playing with you. I'm
Alright.
playing with you.
Alright, let me grab my pieces.
Huh?
Let me grab my pieces.
Okay, okay. I have to check your temperature.
My temperature is good. I passed the vibe check.
Should we try to push her? Should we try to push her to get in there? What's her name again? Taylor? Taylor! 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 We in her living room. We trying to get access to her room because remember, this is a closet tour. It wouldn't be a closet tour if she don't let us into her room, right? So, guys, we're gonna push it. You know, we drove all the way to Brooklyn from Manhattan, so we're gonna push this. Hopefully we can make it happen. I know she says it's a little messy in there, but we all have a little mess in our house, right? We're not perfect. Let me knock the door. Taylor.
Yeah.
How about if we give you a few minutes to just fix it up a little bit?
Yeah, you want to come in?
Huh?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me put it together a little bit.
Okay.
All right.
We did it. We're getting there. We're gonna let her fix up her room a little bit. You never know what a person could leave out, right? Her passport could be outside. Keep it on. So once she say we could come in, we have that rolling. Right now, we right in front of her door waiting for the approval to walk in. That's why every time you leave your room, always make sure your room is prepared, because you don't know who might end up at your house. You might run into MF, Mystery Fashionist. She said she was 6 weeks sober. What is this? These are actual bricks. It's not a wallpaper. I like that. Earlier I was sad, low-key, because I ain't get no closet tours. Low-key, she brought my energy back up. I like her. She's doing a lot of cleaning. It's been a long fucking time. With all that cleaning, your room better be sparkling clean, and you better have them pieces, Taylor. Listen, if your face is oily, you need this. Oil absorbent sheets. It'll always do the job. I'm always on set. Look at this. Look. I did wipe my face earlier, right? But y'all see it's doing its job. You see it? This is the oil that's in my face. I don't like my face looking real greasy and oily. Yeah, of course you can get one of that.
I gotta look good too.
Sorry, Taylor, for giving you a lot of work to do.
What'd you say?
I said sorry for giving you a lot of work to do.
You did. Like my laundry and everything. I'm gonna take my laundry out and then you can come in.
Okay. You need help?
Also,
No,
like,
listen.
moving. Yeah,
I got you.
please. I'm moving on the 1st, so.
Listen, I'm a big man. I work out. I'm not gonna even flex for you. I'm gonna chill.
All right, no, we can do a muscle comparison after.
Oh yeah, you gotta teach me some. Oh, we good now?
You can come into my cute little room.
Okay.
I got my pieces if you guys want to see. Super hot. Let me just get a fan from my purse and then we're good.
Okay. She's like, yo, they made me do all this work, like, oh
Like,
man.
well, in the middle of my move, I got my weed out.
Don't even worry about that. I got you. For
Oh!
all that work,
Okay, you guys are in bed.
you deserve it. You deserve it. All right, let's close this door.
All right, cool.
All right. So before we get into your 5 fashion pieces, what's your fashion take?
I'm trying to bring back all the forgotten trends. Everything that people thought was corny, I'm trying to bring it back.
Okay, like what?
Like skinny jeans, I love vests, I love skinny scarves, I love mixing metals, I love everything that people say you shouldn't do. I want to do it.
Okay, fair enough. Listen, I'm with that trend because I feel like, shit, other people don't matter.
I don't care what other people think of my swag. I feel like I look good.
Listen, swag. This is swag right here. Come on now, show us your favorite 5 fashion pieces.
All right, bet. You want to see?
Yep.
This is my first piece. It's a 1 of 50 Calvin Klein x Andy Warhol denim jacket. I'm obsessed with dark wash denim. I feel like if you don't have dark wash denim, then you just don't look put together. I love the fact that it's hand painted and you can literally see like the printing on it and the decals that are really like Andy Warhol. It's like kind of like pop art with the shadows. So I love this. I feel like it goes with anything and it's always a conversation starter. This is my first piece.
Listen, that's a great piece. We're going to have to see that on you right now. I want to see how it
You
look
want to
on
see
you.
put it on?
Yeah. This fan is working.
I know, right? I got it in Spain. Isn't it?
Hey, fire piece. Nah, that's a fire piece.
I love it so
Conversation
much.
starter for sure.
It's a conversation starter. Everybody wants to know where they can get it. And I met a girl who has the pants to match, but it's like almost a one of one.
Be careful.
Oh, it's almost a one of one.
Yeah. All right.
That's my first. Let me see. My second, these fit like a glove. A stylist that I worked with on a shoot gave these to me a couple weeks ago for my travels, and I just thought they were perfect. And I love the wash. They fit like a glove. They show like the hip bone. I love a low rise. And I feel like it's better to be interesting than to blend in. So I like the fact that it's like a pink wash denim kind of acid wash. A little nostalgic.
Okay.
So I love these. Those are my faves. My next piece is this lovely dress. My friend's gonna be so happy when she sees this. It's my Rick dress.
Mm-hmm.
She gifted it to me maybe a couple weeks ago, and I took it to London with me. So this is the back, and it's pretty much like an open back. It has this little tie moment that's really cute, and it just drapes so well. I usually wear it with my Morant sneakers or these Mono boots that I really love. I've been really into the neutrals and the earth tones lately, so this is super breathable and kind of abstract. You can really build on this piece, so I'm in love with it.
It's too hot out here.
I'm dying right now. I literally got this man fanning me like I'm so
Listen,
blessed.
I'm over here fanning her behind the scenes.
He's not even fanning himself, just me.
Ain't I'm a gentleman?
Okay, so this is one of my favorite pieces. This was my Nana's. She's still with us. But she bought this when she was about my age, and it's a Louis Boulder. It's so cute because it has like the little lock right here, and I have the key to it. And she's been through some stuff. You know, her boning is a little out, so if you know anybody who can restore this for me, let me know. But I love to just like wear this bag when I have a bunch of shit to throw in it, which is usually every day. I'm a grandma bag type of girl, and this is my grandma's bag. So let's see how many pieces we have left.
That one more.
One more? Okay. Last but not least, this is one of my favorite cops. It's Area, circa 2021, I think. And it's beautiful because it has like leather in the back. It's super asymmetrical, but then it has this 100% silk moment in the front, and it's hand dyed. You got the zipper decal right here. I like to leave it open and let it like slouch a little bit, but the movement is so beautiful, especially during this time of year. And I love how it's a little like business in the back, party in the front, and yeah, it gives me like a video vixen type of moment.
A good fun piece. Thank you for showing us your favorite 5 fashion pieces. Before we go, you know you said you're gonna teach me a little bit of moves, so come on. We going
Okay,
a little bit of moves. Come on.
Okay, so first things first, I'm trained in Taekwondo.
Okay.
Okay, so what you want to do is you want to have your power foot behind you. It's always going to be driving anything that you do. So right foot back, left foot forward.
Okay.
Hands up always.
Hands up
Protect
always.
the moneymaker.
Wait, come on. Let's go to the living room for this so
All
we
right,
can
bet,
have
bet,
space.
bet,
Hold
bet.
on.
Let's go.
Okay. All right, so come on. Teach me some Taekwondo.
All right, bet. So you got your right foot back, your left foot forward.
Okay.
Hands up, protect the moneymaker. All right, and what you're going to do is you're going to hook, and then you're going to go under. So you usually go for the nose, and when it brings them down, that's when you go for the gut.
Okay, so just
too.
like this.
And make sure you keep your face covered.
Okay.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
Let me see a hook. Oh, they're whooping your ass.
They whipping my ass?
They're whooping your ass. I said hook, babe.
Oh, hook.
Let me see
Okay.
your hook. Let me see your hook. There you go. And under. Quicker than that. One more time. There you go. That's yourself.
Come on now, let me try it on you.
Oh, okay, bet. Let me block you.
Okay. Okay.
You look like you were so scared to hurt me.
Yes, I was.
I'm not made up for it.
I couldn't be too. I was trying not to be very fast with it because I'm a fast guy.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Can you do push-ups?
Oh no.
No, you're not
Should
a pusher.
I try?
Yeah, come on,
All
try.
right, cool. Let's try.
Well, she probably could do something else.
I do a lot of yoga, so let's see.
Okay. Okay. One.
One.
Come on. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on. 8. Just 2 more. 9, 10. Come on. Let's go.
I can't believe y'all got me doing
Let's
that.
go.
90 degrees.
Come on, get up. Yeah, we got it, man. a little fitness slash fashion. We here.
A little fitness slash fashion. That's how you get these abs.
Them drinks right there.
What? Oh. You want a shot?
Huh?
You want a shot?
No.
Oh, I don't drink.
You said you was 6 weeks.
No, not 6 weeks. I'm 9 months sober.
9 months. You said you're 9 months sober.
I'm 9 months sober. I don't drink.
So whose drinks is those?
Roomies. They like to host. They're really good hosts.
Okay.
Yeah.